Bullish Loopring cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.13 and $2.46 by 2030. Market examiners accept LRC could reach $1.13 by 2025. Bearish Loopring market cost expectation for 2022 is 20 cents. Loopring presentation. The heft of the significant digital currencies were bound no doubt having a tough time all through the negative exchange. LRC, then again, ended up being one of the best champs after actually recapturing over 27% during the brief time frame. The meeting happened while the Loopring convention was going through a huge update. Yet again, how about we dive further to see whether Loopring will mobilize from now on? What is Loopring? An open source, verified, and non-custodial trade system is what Loopring, an Ethereum token, calls itself. By using zero information confirmations, the convention vows to empower anyone to make non-custodial, decentralized trades on top of it. Resources are continually in the control of clients on account of ZKPs. The guaranteed objective of Loopring is to give a crossover trade that incorporates key components of both concentrated and decentralized trades. By utilizing mixture draws near, the convention tries to safeguard the benefits of decentralized trades while decreasing or taking out their failures, by keeping up with the orders in a concentrated design while settling the arrangement on blockchain. Loopring desires to increment request execution productivity and DEX liquidity. The diminished exchange cost is a key advantage that Loopring plans to give. Most of exercises, including exchange and move settlement, will be taken out by Loopring away the Ethereum blockchain. Thus, there is a critical decrease in gas utilization and generally exchange costs contrasted with on-chain. Loopring Basic Investigation. Loopring Convention Token is LRC, a stackable coin that consents to ERC20. Digital currencies verify exchanges utilizing this strategy, empowering resource proprietors to get motivators for their speculations. 3 different stake sorts are conceivable with LRC. 1. Anyone can stake LRC to get a piece of the 70% convention expenses that all Loopring-based trades charge. 20% of the cash are shipped off the Loopring DAO, while the leftover 10% are scorched or eliminated from course by being conveyed to an unusable wallet. The people group of Loopring individuals concludes how these monies ought to be utilized through the Loopring DAO. 2. An trade proprietor might stake LRC for reputational and monetary dependability. 3. LRC can be marked by a trade proprietor, high recurrence brokers, and market creators to bring down convention costs on a specific trade. LRC tokens have a roof on their complete amount of 1,375,076,040. Loopring Specialized Examination. The new cost flood for Loopring increased the cost and sent cost valuations high as can be. The cost to a great extent stayed near the 50-day straightforward moving normal, albeit the collection. Conveyance pointer identifies 3 major volume activities that show extensive amassing throughout the year. Not a single one of them was huge, not normal for the new cost increment. Specialists' information on the specific opposition and backing levels is pivotal since without it, it is difficult to precisely expect the cost. Master examination showed gigantic cost instability toward the beginning of the year. The outrageous unpredictability caused the overbought state and a blast in the RSI. Following the underlying cost hop, the cost of Loopring expanded consistently over the course of the following couple of months. The cost of digital currencies began to decline as the market for them continued its sideways design. The following ascent started later in the year, and following an almost too extended time of union, the cost took off up to new highs, establishing new standards and expanding the worth of the Loopring token LRC. The obstruction level is on the grounds that the current costs are higher than the 50-day basic moving normal. Loopring current cost. Loopring is presently worth 25 cents USD. LRC has moved 1.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,705,132. Loopring is right now positioned 87 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $321,839,347 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Loopring to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Loopring market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Loopring Value Forecast 2022. Loopring, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The LRC cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 37 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 35 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. LRC is supposed to have a base worth of 30 cents. Loopring Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Loopring LRC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LRC will before long outperform 62 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the LRC's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, LRC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 50 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 55 cents. Loopring Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 87 cents and LRC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. LRC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 80 cents and a low of 75 cents in 2024. Loopring Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Loopring effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the LRC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LRC will be green in 2025. The LRC is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.13, with a base cost of $1 and a typical cost of $1.05. Loopring Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the LRC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.31 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.26 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, LRC has a most extreme value worth of $1.38. Loopring Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.56. In the event that LRC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.63. Neglecting to accumulate the help LRC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.51. Loopring Value Forecast 2028. While LRC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.76 and a yearly cost close above $1.88 in 2028. Loopring Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Loopring will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.01 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.13, averaging out at $2.06. Loopring Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital